Regardless of how you're going to use your videos, whether you have a particular project in mind or you just want to share some of your videos online, one of the most important things when it comes to actually organizing your videos is being able to identify your favorites from a particular shoot. Lightroom provides a variety of options for identifying images. Those include pick flags, star ratings, and color labels, and you can use one or more of these in order to help you identify your favorite video clips. Let's start off with the pick flags. Pick flags allow you to make essentially a yes or no decision about each video clip. Is it one you want to keep and that you'll likely use, or is it one that you could probably delete without any problems? If you're using pick flags, I encourage you to assign a pick or reject flag to every single video clip so there won't be any ambiguity when you have a video that does not include a pick flag. You can assign pick flags by going to the menu and choosing Photo, Set Flag, and then either Flagged for a pick flag, Unflagged if you want to remove a flag, or Rejected if you want to reject a particular video clip. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. The letter P will add a pick flag, the letter U will remove a flag, and the letter X will set the flag as rejected. I'll go ahead and click on the first video that I want to evaluate, and this one doesn't look all that promising. The sunrise is certainly beautiful here, but the birds are relatively small in the frame. I might want to play back the video to get a better idea of the contents here, but even still, I'm not really that happy with this particular clip. It's interesting, and being there was certainly an amazing experience, but that doesn't really come through in the video. So I'll go ahead and press the letter X on the keyboard to mark this image as rejected, to add a reject flag to this video clip, which probably means that I'd be perfectly fine deleting this clip later. I'll then press the right arrow key to move on to the next video clip, and I can evaluate the video, I can play it back if need be, and then assign a pick or a reject flag as appropriate. So I'll go ahead and press P, for example, to pick this image, and P to pick this image. This one I'll also pick, and this one I think I'll reject, so I'll press the letter X. So that gives me a yes or no decision about each individual video clip. But I can also use star ratings so that I get a little bit better sense of the ranking, the overall quality of each individual video. So starting back at the beginning here, perhaps this video only gets a 1-star rating. I can go to the menu and choose Photo, Set Rating, and then choose 1 star through 5 stars, or none if I want to remove a star rating. But I can also use keyboard shortcuts. I can press the number that relates to how many stars I want to assign, 1 through 5 for 1 star through 5 stars, or 0 to remove the star rating. I'll go ahead and click on the thumbnail for this video, and in this case I'll assign a 1-star rating, so I'll press the number 1 on the keyboard. Moving on to the next video, perhaps this one gets a 3-star rating, this one might get a 2-star rating, perhaps this one is a 4-star rating, that's a 1-star, and maybe this is a 5-star rated video. So again, this gives me the opportunity to be able to sort and filter my videos so that I can, for example, easily find my favorites, those 5-star videos. Finally, we have color labels. The key thing to keep in mind about color labels is that we can only assign a single color to each image, and the color by itself doesn't have any inherent meaning. So if you're going to use color labels, I encourage you to give some thought in advance to what you want each of those color labels to mean. You can assign a color label from the menu by choosing Photo and then Set Color Label, followed by the color that you want to assign. Those include red, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and again we have keyboard shortcuts as an option. 6 will assign a red color label, 7 is yellow, 8 is green, and 9 is blue. Purple does not have a keyboard shortcut, and so you can only assign purple using the menu. I'll return to my video clip here, and I can press 6 to add a red color label, 7 for yellow, and so on. So for example, I might use a color label to specify that a video is appropriate for a particular project or that I want to share it with others. I often use a green color label, for example, to specify a video clip that I want to make sure to share with someone else, perhaps the person who was in the video, for example. If you decide that you only want to use one of these options, either pick flags, star ratings, or color labels, then you might also want to take advantage of the Auto Advance feature. If we go to the photo menu, we'll find an auto advance option, and with that setting turned on, as soon as we assign a pick flag, a star rating, or a color label to the currently selected video clip or photo, Lightroom will automatically advance to the next clip or photo. So, for example, if I press P to assign a pick flag, Lightroom will assign that pick flag and then move on to the next video clip. Since I tend to use pick flags and star ratings, however, I'm going to turn off that auto advance option. By using pick flags, star ratings, or color labels, or perhaps a combination of more than one of these, you can really help make sure that you identify your video clips so that you're able to find just the right clip for a project very quickly and easily.